Did you open an Etsy shop and are now wondering how to make your first sale? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, in this video, I will reveal secret tips and tricks that will guarantee you a sale within a week. To do so, you do not need to be a digital marketing or sales expert. If you follow my one secret, you will undoubtedly make your first sale on Etsy, irrespective of whether you are a first-time seller. So, if you want to know the secret tip, please watch the entire video so you don't miss out on that magical tip for getting a sale. So, let us begin. Before I tell you that magical and secret tip, you should be aware of a few facts. To start with, your shop should be properly optimized, such as having a proper banner or display image, because it is the first thing shoppers see when they interact with your Etsy store. Use your banner to draw shoppers' attention, create a consistent brand experience, and give customers a taste of the products they can expect from your store. Next, you should have a variety of listings, because a store with only 2 or 3 listings will never be able to draw customers in effectively. Customers will have the option to select from a variety of products because of multiple listings. Additionally, if you have more listings on Etsy, you are generally more likely to appear in search results. With an average conversion rate, this could result in more people visiting your store, which would result in more sales. Next is SEO. After completing all of these steps, you must do basic SEO for your products. For example, your product's title should be relevant to the product and should not contain multiple tags. After that, you should properly describe your products and include all necessary information to make it easier for customers to understand what you are selling. Finally, use tags. Write 13 tags, but make sure they relate to your product. Avoid writing any irrelevant tags. Now, guys, I'm going to reveal a secret tip that will help you get a guaranteed sale. To get a sale, you must first gain the trust of the customer. If you are successful in doing so, you will get the sale. Guys, in order to gain customer trust, you must order 5 to 6 products by yourself or ask a friend to purchase the product and provide positive feedback, because nobody buys a product from a new store until he is certain that the product is genuine or not. Guys, if you follow these tips, you can make the sale in a week.